Hello, here we are flying, and we're over Bird Lake. And who's that coming at us? That would be the one and only Bill Allen of Rad fame.
Cool. Oh, you're Pop Blast.
The famous Bill Allen. Well, maybe not so famous. Here we are cruising around over Bird Lake. Let's see why they...
Tomorrow would be a good day.
Hey, hold on, Bill. I'm videoing and I'm talking also, so stand by. This is why we call it Bird Lake. Now, normally there is a lot more birds in all the trees, but I guess there's not that many this day. Let's make one pass and see what happens. Ooh, doggies. Okay, birdies, we'll leave you alone, and we're heading back out of here. This is Evan, signing off.